come on, come on, come on. Ay, dali, 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 dali. Help, help.
He didn't even look.
No, 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 no. Oh my God. They get a goal? Naka-goal na yung kabila. Oh, ala. Wala pa tayong score. Tapos na yung second quarter. Naka 1 goal and 2 points na yung Victoria. Tayo 0 pa din. Start na yung third quarter. Binilang ko pala hiningal ako. Tumakbo kasi ako. Binilang ko sila ng makakain. And fruit box baba. Sushi sa kanya. Eh dyan, ham and cheese. Ayan, third quarter na. Naka-goal na naman yung kabila. So 2 goals na sila. Tayo 0 pa din. One. Go! Kick! Ay, down. Oh my God. Go, kick! Go, go, go! Oh, shit! No, 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 no! No point. Naka-goal na naman! 3 goals na sila. Come on. 5 minutes pa, wala na. Pag hindi kayo nakascore, wala. Talo na tayo. Come on, kick a goal, please. Kick a goal! Kick! Oh! Hindi ko na makita sa kayo si Sak at nasa ba si Sak? Hinahanap ko si Sak. Come on, they're not looking. Oh my God. Come on. Oh. Go, 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 go. Si Sak, buti pa si Sak nagtutok. Slippery. Dudulas din sila eh. Go get in there, Sak. Tapos na naman third quarter, wala pa tayong score. Ay, nandito na. Out. Wala na, 32 seconds na. Na wala tayong score. Oh my God. Ay, wag nyo na yan ipag-goal. Diyos ko Lord. Come on, SA. Come on. Yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Koda. Wala na. Tapos na ang third quarter. Sa siren na. Ayan yung score. 3 goals sa kabila, sa Victoria, tsaka 2 points sa atin, Bokia. Wala na naman, my goodness. Wala na talaga tayong pag-asa. Huwag tayo mawalang pag-asa.
Where's Zach in the forward pocket?
Yeah. Yes. Go Zach. Gotta go Zach here. It's raining. Nagsasalita rin naman itong papang to. Tingnan natin si Johnny Boy. Lumabas talaga siya. Get it in and get it. Play harder. Go hard daw.
Get angry!
Get angry daw. Go Zach. Go Zach. Dito ang goal natin. Oh, dyan. Huwag nang umulan, please. Come on, you can do this, boys. 3 goals. Wow, 3 goals. Kahit makascore man lang kayo. Huwag tayong uwi ng Bokia for this game.
Backline's friggin' hopeless. Straight down their end.
Sack forward, Han.
Yeah, he's going too far up.
Nandun yung bola sa kabila.
They should be coming down this side of the oval.
Why is X going there? Wiper. Clean up. Take off dyan. Clean up. Nandun yung bola sa kabila eh. Oh, come on, oh, nandun na naman sa kabila yung bola. Oh, doon na naman. Ay. Susuntukan na kayong dalawa dyan. Bola ang pag-agawan niyo.
Look at them all.
We have this. Come on, come on. Ah, look at this. Oh, para na tong soccer.
Oh, two.
Na tong soccer.
Oh, 2 of them. Still
Yeah.
can't talk.
Oh my.
2 of them. Still
Yeah.
can't talk.
Oh my God. Go, Zachary. Oh my God, wala. Sana tayo dito, tingnan yung ulan. Come Come on, get a score please. Bokya pa rin tayo. Oh! Zach is good leading, Han. He's the one, you know, telling them not to be crowded. Kasi yung iba, kumpul-kumpulan. Si Zach maririnig ko. Nagsasabi siyang spread out. Ang wish ko na lang, makascore man lang sila. Kahit hindi na sila mananalo eh. Naka 5 goals na yung kalaban. Ang dalawa. Suntukan yata ang gusto nito. Baba, can you turn down please? Go, Zach. Good job, Saki. Ay, na-mark ni Zach. Oh! Go, Zach. Oh. Natakaw siya. Na-mark niya. Natakaw siya. Go, Zach. Oh my God, goal again.
Off?
Yeah.
He went off.
I think no. It's still there.
No, he's not. Where?
Go, Zach. Oh. Ang hirap kasi ma-mark pag basa ang bola. Come on.
Turn around, Zach. Go out there because it's not going to come in. It's going to go back out again.
Go inside.
Sorry. Look at that.
Lumbas ng daddy. Nandun ang Johnny Boy, lumabas na. Umuulan pa din. Come on, boys. Come on, kick. Stay dito sa atin, come on. Oh, na-mark ng kalaban. Come on! Yes! At least naka-goal tayo. Yes. At least we get a 1 goal at least. Malakas na naman ang ulan. Ay, no. Na-mark. Tapos na, guys. 1 goal lang tayo, 6 goals sa kalaban. Talo tayo ng 5 goals. Ayan ang ating Saki boy. Basang-basa. At putikan. Tsaka si kuya, oh. Nagbigay ko na yung tao sa kanya. Lamig na siya. See ya.
Oh no, it's raining.
It's raining again. Put the towel, Sak. Put the towel. Put the towel.
That's sushi.
Yeah.
What team's shocking take? Yours.
Pull the towel down.
Mag-calls kami saglit. Kami lang ni Kuya. Yeah, get a card, yeah. Handa na sila sa summer. Ang lamig. Meron silang oregano dito. Pa tayong carrots. Ito lang. Kuya, instead of carrots, ito na lang. Kasi gusto ni Sak na may lettuce eh. Ang dinner namin is wrap. Yeah. I'll get that one instead of this because there's the carrots in it. Get the wraps, Kuya. You find the wraps? What cheese did you get? That one?
Cheese? Is that what we normally get?
Yeah, but we need shredded one for the wraps.
Oh.
Mama, it's alright, alright. Ayaw ni Kuya to kasi
Get that.
this one na lang, oh. Where is it? Where did you put it? Where? No, don't put it there. Ikaw talaga. Okay, find the other one. Not mozzarella. Ito na lang, oh. This one.
That's 3 types of chicken.
No,
That's
shredded.
medium. Dad's not gonna eat that.
Oh, daddy not. Oh, daddy talaga. What's that one?
Cheddar.
Okay, cheddar. Alright. Come on, come on here. Come on. Did you get coffee? Not yet. Come on. Let's get this one. 3 coffee.
What are we getting that?
Oh. Just for movie. Gusto ko sana mag-eggs kaso wala silang Ah, yeah, there is. Yeah. Oh, there's only 4.
No, there's one with 6.
6?
Yeah.
6 eggs?
Or there's one with 12.
No, 12 is that one, the regular one. So just get 6.
Oh.
Can you open it? Check it.
Yeah, they're good. Oh,
Because-
I'll just have 4.
Oh no, we just get the regular one.
Um,
Ito na lang. Free range. Check this one, Kuya. Kuya? Okay. So, check this one. Kasi si Kuya mahilig sa eggs. Alright? It's not crack? No crack?
no.
Okay. So, you want the big one, right? Get the big one. This one.
Will that be enough?
Yeah, it will be enough. How many pieces? Huh? You sure that's enough? Do we still have bread? Okay. 8 pieces. So, tigdadalawa kayo. That is chocolate. Okay. And Sakis, si Sak gusto niya yung salt and vinegar na crackers. Where's the crackers? Okay. Salt and vinegar. Actually, masarap din Kuya yung ano. I like this one too. No, I like this one. This is nice. Ah, here. Yeah. Ito. Here, yeah. Before I drop it. Yeah, it's alright.
That's not the stuff.
Okay. You don't need anything?
I want lollies.
Huh? What lollies? Go get lollies. Hurry up. Come on. Yeah, on the way. Driving the next day.
We're gonna go to the servo anyway.
Yeah, it's alright. Just put it there. Ayun, isa lang daw. Okay.
That has to fill up before you
Alright, okay. Baka raw hindi na namin makain. Where's the lollies? Get lollies now. Get the pythons. Here. There's pythons, kuya. Oh, a snake. Or get the mixed one. That's it? Okay. Come on. Ito ako nito. Here, yeah. Thank you. Okay, we're done here. Binilang ko si Johnny Boy na custard Danish. Thank you. Yeah, thanks. You too. Malaki yung shopping center nila dito. Just put it in the... Yeah, just put it there. Yeah, put it in your pocket. Naka-sale na yung mga pang-winter kasi mag-spring na. Next month, spring na. Watch out for the car. What's that one? Apple. Oh. The girl said it's custard. There's no apple. Zach, get your training top too, please. Oh, see, no wrinkles. See? No. Your training and then your clothes, please.
Up there, take go.
Okay. Labang ko muna yung kay Zach.
Now, touch your orange back.
Kuya, get your clothes. Your dirty clothes.
I don't have any dirty clothes.
From yesterday.
Oh, it'll be right. Hey, what can't she do? Why doesn't she dry it?
No, they're right.
No, I cannot dry that. So because
Can you put it in a bag and then you... No, it goes on hard and it'll dry.
Sit him on top of the chair.
ito ang dumi.
You know what it's not.
Ito na muna kasi as in putikan siya. Putikan. Okay. Ilan lang muna natin. Yung ano lang, quick lang. Quick. Super quick. Okay, may super quick dito. Ay, hindi pa natin lagyan ng sabon. Oh. Your undies. Give it your undies now. Ooh, wow.
Peaches. Paper. Mom, we got tons of water.
Okay. Quick. Sportswear. Sportswear na lang, 42. Okay, magtupi muna ako. So yan, tupi muna tayo. So yun na nga, yung Victoria, wala pa silang talo. And during the assembly, yung opening, na-mention doon na more than 800 kids ang nag-try out. Sila yung pinakamalaking, city or state na nag-try out na ganun karami. Tapos kahapon, sabi ng coach nila sa nagbibigay sila ng speech during dinner. Yung nakausap niya yung coach ng SA, ng Victoria, kasi nandun din yung Victoria nag-dinner sa baba. 900 daw yung nag-try out sa kanila. Imagine, 900. Sa atin, sa SA, 260 lang, diba? So talagang, in-screening talaga nila yung mga bata. Kaya, ang gagaling. Ang gagaling ng nakuha nila. Ang daming bata. Alam niyo yun? Talagang marami silang pinagpilian. And last year, sila yung champion. And yeah, sinabi rin ng coach na yun nga, ang malaking magiging kalaban ay yung yung Victoria. So, dalawa na yung talo natin. Tapos yung iba, 2, 3, 4 ang talo. So, tayo 2. Queensland natalo tayo, tapos today. So, hopefully tomorrow, mapanalo natin. Magaling din bukas ang magiging kalaro nila. Ano sila? Western Australia. Perth. Mga taga Perth naman. Western Australia. Okay, fresh bebo. After kung laban yung kay Sak, yung akin naman. What's that noise, huh? Yung boots ni Sak kailangan tong anuhin. Linisin. May dala pa siyang isa, pero mas gusto niya kasi ito eh. Itong green. Yung blue niya meron dyan, nandyan. Dala niya. Pag hindi yan natuyo, so kung susuotin niya yun. So, ang dinner natin nila is, yun nga, wrap. Meron kasi tayong binili dyan nung isang araw. Nung isang araw, di pa nag-grocery tayo nung pagdating natin. Yung ham, hindi pa nagagalaw. Yung salami, hindi pa nagagalaw. So, tinanong ko sila, sabi nila, okay lang daw. Gusto naman nila yun eh. Yung wrap na salami, tsaka ham. Mag-edit tayo after nito. Ako yung kakainin ko, may muscle chef. Nagugutom na nga ako eh. Masarap kumain pag tag-ulan. And sobrang hirap din kanina. Tapos sabi ni Sak na panalo raw ng Victoria yung kanilang laro. Pag nag-goal sila, hindi kick. Yung parang soccer, yung sinisipa na alam mo yung sipang nasa ground. Ganun yung ano nila na panalo. Hindi yung kick talaga na alam mo yun. Sabi ni Sak, they won playing soccer. Kasi sipa lang talagang sipa. Kasi nga ang dulas ng bola. Sila Sak, naka-goal sila. Talaga, yung talagang kick na maayos. Yung sa Victoria, hindi. Soccer. Soccer goal. Kicking from the ground. Okay, tapos na to. Edit tayo. Alright. Done. Akyat ko lang to. Mag-edit ako. Yan yung labahan galing sa taas. And ito yung suot ko kanina na fluffy natin na jacket. Lalaban ko rin siya. Put away ko muna pala to bago mag-edit. So yung mga nabili natin sa Coles. Siyempre coffee. And yung apple salad, yung ating fennel salad, hindi ko nakain. Kainin ko siya after. So, ito yung ating nila, yung dinner. Ayan, hindi pa nagagalaw. Hindi nagalaw. So, dito ito sa labas. Eggs. Parang gusto ko mag-eggs. Where are you going? Punta siya doon. Naalala yung pinunta natin na coffee na kaibigan niya. Her brother? Brother-in-law. Birthday. Pupunta siya. 50th birthday. Enjoy the party. Is that the 50th birthday that you're going?
50,
Yeah,
yeah.
50.
Yeah, it's only a couple, right?
Oh. So, 50th birthday. In-invite siya. Ha? Oh, alright. May mga taga-mount din daw na pupunta. So, nandito siya. In-invite na rin siya. Well, kaibigan niya naman talaga. Mga kaibigan niya yun na nag-move dito. Malapit lang. How far is it, Han? Bal? Kinakain ko na pala. Nagre-report si Kuya about sa footy doon sa atin. Panalo yung grade nila. Sarap nito guys. Gawin niyo to. Sarap. Kahit si Sak, gustong gusto. But how far is it? 10 minutes. And if you're going to the... No, if you're going to the servo, get water please. 10 minutes away lang.
Well, Mum, I'm having my right now.
Now?
Yes? And Dad, did you see the carrots? No. Look.
Ayaw niya yung kinuha ko. Gusto niya dapat maraming carrot. It's mixed. Lettuce and carrots. That's what. Kasi gusto niya carrots and lettuce. Eh, yung lettuce ang laki. Okay, yung tatlong ano ba? Ako hindi, ang dami.
What are you making? Egg.
Egg. Magluto ko pa lang egg.
Well, I'm making one.
Gagawin niya na eh. Do you want me to help you? Or you're thanks?
No.
Okay.
Hey, come here, hurry up.
What? What? Stay. Enjoy the party. Wala pa. 21 minutes pa yung minutes sa click. Chinek ko lang.
Yes, please, Bob. Thank you. I thought you said, do you want to play? So, I'm going to have one salami, one...
Are you gonna mix it?
No. So, I'm going to have 2 wraps, Pop. So where's Dad going?
50th birthday.
Whose? Do you even know him?
Yeah, we went to the coffee shop when you were in the... When you had a game after the football.
No.
You
What,
know,
did he get invited then?
Yeah, because
Well,
that...
do you have scissors, please?
Because that is... Yeah, because that, they used to be in the in the bay.
That's fine. What is that yellow, pink stuff, purple?
This is the lettuce.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, try. It's good. It's like the cabbage, but purple. It's no taste, but it's good for you. So just mix it all.
It's a bit spicy, not spicy.
Spicy. We just don't have mayonnaise, but just put a lot of
And I'll put tomato sauce.
tomato. There's no tomato there.
Yes, you do.
No, there's no tomato there.
Tomato sauce?
Yeah. Tomato sauce here.
What did you think?
The fresh one.
What fresh?
Like, the fresh.
What?
You know,
Since when did I like tomatoes?
today.
Yeah. What?
You have another good team tomorrow, sir. What's our...
You know the first goal they kicked
Yeah,
wasn't a goal?
I know.
Because
but-
he socketed it and then it came off our boot and
Yeah.
then it went in the goals.
That's
He
right.
socketed it into our boots.
And then they've been kicking on the ground like a soccer, right?
Yeah.
To get a goal. Did you put tomato sauce?
Yes, but
You have food to eat here.
what I forgot to put.
Huh?
That's why it was missing something.
What? Yeah, cheese. Oh, it's your fault.
Oh, I forget the cheese.
Ayan na yung eggs ko. Ito yung snack natin. Kalimutan yung lagyan ng cheese yung kanyang. Sunny side up. Eggs for me.
How am I going to open it? Like,
Just open by...
like a plastic bag?
No. There's, akin na. Oh, it's not resealable.
Yeah, alright, let's just cut it.
It's not resealable. Yung dalawa ayaw pang kumain. Alright, kain muna kami. And ito yung akin.
Kain.
Kain. There you go. That's not much.
I'm just going to just open it, please.
Something like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not much. Well,
That's not much sauce.
yeah, have a lot.
Alright. Here.
Nah. Oh, not
Don't
yet.
forget to put this one. Put cheese. Good?
I did it the wrong way.
It's alright. Yeah, put this one.
Oh,
Lettuce.
just right.
Wow. Ako nahihirapan sa'yo. Don't forget that cheese.
So Dad's not having that.
I'm not sure.
Well, I thought he was going out to pool
Yeah.
and get drunk.
It's not gonna be drinking.
Oh no, it was a joke.
Vegemite? No way, Zaki.
What?
Well, it's up to you. I'll squeeze it. Cheese.
No. I was looking for that.
Where's your cabbage and carrots?
I don't know. I couldn't be stuck. Oh, that's good.
No.
Because I'm healthy on this one.
You asked for this, we have to eat
I
this.
asked for carrots and lettuce separated,
That's
not with purple stuff. And look at this.
That's
Can I eat
more.
this? No, funny.
Put more sauce.
Oh, that's good. That's perfect. Just perfect. Well, that's just perfect.
Okay, are you done with this one? I have to put this in the fridge.
If you can stir. Have I ever got lost, Mum?
What do you mean?
Huh?
What do you mean?
No, I ever got lost.
Lost where?
Like, from yous.
From where?
You!
From me?
Uh-huh.
What do you mean?
Do I ever lost you? What? Oh, I ran away.
Ran away?
Mm-hmm.
No?
Yeah. Like I was lost. Not the one in the Philippines.
No, the one in the Melbourne.
It happened.
You ran away somewhere when you were in the arcade? You went somewhere and we couldn't find you and we thought we lost you.
So where'd you find me?
We were just standing there.
Where?
I was so scared that moment. So you have
Where?
no idea. Your dad was sweating and cold, like scared as well. In the arcade.
Oh,
inside.
like if someone took me.
Yeah, because too many people. And you were just there and then you just ran away. That was quick. Alright?
Wait, what if it wasn't me?
Or it wasn't you.
What if I'm just different?
I know you are my Saki boy, okay? Alright. Let's eat.
Is that yours?
Yeah. Nagpakat sila ng apples.
Thank you.
Hindi pa sila kumakain ng dinner. Si Sak pa lang.
Oh, you can run now?
Okay, mag-edit now. Katapos ko lang mag-edit. Time is 9:19. Wala pa si Jan. Kanina pa to. Tapos hindi ko lang nilabas kasi nga nag-focus ako dun sa aking editing. Now, labas na natin to. Ating dryer. Then next, yung, ayan. How's the party? Good. Huh? Not much people. All right. Every day. Alright guys, i-end ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin kasi itutupi lang naman ako, tapos hintayin ko yung isang matapos ma-dry. Then, uploading yung vlog. So, tamang-tama, may vlog tayo mamaya. Sana bago ito matapos, na-upload na yun. So, thank you guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next one. Good night.
Because I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me.